Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. It looks like China and US made some kind of a deal, and currently the markets will open with a huge gap up. According to IG weekend futures on Nasdaq, it is expected to have at least 1.2%. It means usually it is more than marked by IG. So yeah, a huge gap up incoming, and this week is going to be very important because we are having CPI, core CPI, and Powell to speak, and of course, this is the OPEX week as well. So yeah, expect some volatility, and yeah, possibly we can have a huge short squeeze if you followed previous week's shorts covering. So yeah, it's gonna be a huge week. Make sure you're ready for this. So we are back to the charts. This is the 12-hour chart, on a daily chart as well. You can see we are at we close at 200 EMA. We bet we're gonna have an open above 200 EMA basically, and we are basically heading to 702 Fibonacci retracement, and I think we will go above that. On a 4-hour chart, my main level to reclaim is 21 grand. From 2900 to 21. This is the huge supply level. We definitely will take this liquidity around 2540 for sure, and we'll try to get some information at these levels at least on NQ. So for the 15 minutes, you can see we held this retest, this downward trend line, and yeah, I will expect 100% to go to up to these levels. If we measure from here to 21, it's 3.6%. It is much more than likely, and yeah, we'll definitely take this level as well. So my main bias for this week is to the upside. For sure, we are having an OPEX, and I will expect some kind of short squeeze as well. Looking at the VIX chart, volatility compression can squeeze the last bears as well. And of course, another indicator for me is Bitcoin chart. You can see Bitcoin is always, in my mind, leading the markets in my mind. It is reacting very fast and in advance in any kind of news. So yeah, we are heading to some kind of resistance. I was expecting to short around this level, but looking at this huge upside, I just will wait for a couple of days, and maybe we can see some kind of divergence here. We can see we blasted 100 grand, and yeah, anything below that maybe worth short, but currently, no way there is a point to short this market right now. And interestingly enough, Ethereum and Bitcoin chart had this huge bounce, and possibly we have bottomed at on Ethereum Bitcoin chart, which is always a good sign for all the altcoin holders as well. I will expect some kind of retest or maybe even double bottom around this area before we have another huge upside momentum. But yeah, we will see. There is a huge chance that we've seen the Ethereum Bitcoin bottom. It doesn't mean that Ethereum is not gonna, Ethereum USDT not gonna have a lower low, but it is of course good sign for the altcoins as well. All right, so yeah, I will expect on Ethereum chart to come and maybe take this liquidity around 28 3,000 level. The yearly open and the most important level for me is 3,350, and above this level I will expect to have upside momentum up to 5,000. But yeah, currently very huge short squeeze. We had around 1 billion of liquidations of short positions, right? So yeah, huge upside. But of course, I will try to avoid getting long at these levels because it is overheated and there is a chance we can have some correction right now. But yeah, overall to the upside, my bias is to the upside. I will wait for my setups to come and to long both on NQ and on Ethereum as well, at least in the short term. So yeah, wanna show you as well of the previous week. I was looking all the time to this drift. So shorts are continuously covering. Calls are taking profit, but shorts are in huge trouble right now on this China deal as well. And considering the OPEX, I will expect some volatility. But overall, we can have a huge, as I said, huge upside momentum and short squeeze in the markets. And Bitcoin and Ethereum already started that squeeze. So yeah, there is a chance we can have some nice gains on the upside. But of course, we will see. We will see because we are having a very important week overall. So CPI, and as I said, Powell speaks as well on Thursday. And yeah, consumer sentiment on Friday. Very interesting week, and looking forward to this. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Lastly, you can see on the ATR levels as well, the momentum is to the upside. We are having a daily squeeze. So this is very favorable for the bulls. So yeah, make sure you position yourself in the correct side. And yeah, I won't try to short this market right now because bears are in trouble in my opinion. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. So thanks for joining me, and if you like the content, please subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Bye.